Hey guys, Sacker Chef here. I just finished my hive inspection here. I wasn't able to actually videotape any of it because I needed both hands. Even with my my helper here, he was having trouble getting the smoker lit. We've got it lit. Go figure. Now it's smoking pretty good when I don't really need it. But found the queen. Everything looks good. She was released naturally, so I didn't have to do any kind of direct release, and so everything looks good. They're building up wax. There was a little bit of nectar storage in there. I didn't see any pollen, but the bees were covering the frames pretty good. You know, they're trying to build up wax, so they're covering up the frames a lot right now. But everything looks good so far. It's a little wet. It just started to clear up out here, but the ground is still really wet. It's been raining off and on the last couple of days, and it was super foggy this morning on the way up here. Fortunately, the fog lifted by the time I got here. But it was either do it now when the weather is kind of overcast and dreary, or do it later with clear skies and high winds. So it was really kind of the lesser of two evils. So, but like I said, everything looks good, and hopefully in a week, I'm gonna actually come back here on Saturday, maybe Friday. It really depends. I know we've got another chance of rain sometime in the next week. So whenever it's not raining, I'm gonna come back up here and do another inspection, and hopefully I'll be able to show you guys what's going on in the hive. But as for now, we'll just leave them be and let them do their thing. And until next time, I'll catch you guys later.